Now, coming to the second part of the level 2 is today we are going to finish childhood healing. Then we are going to do the healing the past. Okay. Then we will learn the protection shield. Protection shield. I'll show you what is protection shield. Then there is one more small topic called gift reiki. Okay, you can write on gift reiki. Now, gift reiki works for 10 minutes.
Okay.
So we will start with childhood healing now. Now, what is childhood healing? When uh, when you learn healing, again same like yesterday's topic. Unless until your certain years of your life are healed, the energies won't flow, and you will not be able to heal the others also. The childhood healing is comprises of your the day you are born. Your date of birth is I think 25th July 1990,
G.
1990 or 91.
1990.
1990. So 25th July 1990, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 years of your life, wherever you have spent, your body has absorbed all those energies. Because till the age of 7, your crown chakra will be open.
Okay.
The reason here the meaning of crown chakra being open is a child doesn't have ego. From this 25th July 1990 till 25th July 1997,
G.
these 7 years of your life, whatever you have observed in your body, whatever you have seen, you may not remember, but your soul has seen it. That entire 7 years will be played all your life. You are going to behave with the same energy.
Okay.
No, children who have seen the parents struggle, children who have seen the parent quarreling, fighting, tend to behave the same way when they grow up, because for them that is right. For them that is what is relationship all about. Children who have seen the parents very generous, not maybe rich but generous, very loving, sharing. So even though when they grow up, what happens? They share their food, they share their thoughts. They are very caring. Children, even though if they've seen the parents struggling with money, even though parents are rich, but even though they seen they're very tight with the money and they don't share, and they are very, I will not say greedy, but they are not very much comfortable. Then these children grow up in such ways. A girl, if the scene, if the mother goes on, the father was very abusive, the girl tend to believe while growing, that all the male are like that.
Okay.
If a boy sees, the mother is very abusive, then he will develop hate for the woman. So when he is choosing a life partner, he will have the same tendency. He'll feel the same energies. He will think, this even this woman has will be the same, because he is not seen. Or the children who has grown up with a single parent, either mother or father, they don't know what is the other parent will be like. So
G.
when they grow up, it will be they'll take longer time for them to understand what is love, how is relationship. So when you're healing the childhood, you are healing that aspect of your life. So
Okay.
when you learn healing, it is not just symbols and how to do healing. Unless until that particular energy starts flowing through, that is the reason I will say we are not healers. We are only a channel. We are known as, because we are channeling the energy. So for the energy to channel, if my throat and heart is blocked, if my throat and heart is blocked with pain, how can the energy flow? If I am myself not happy and painful, I cannot give you happiness. I cannot give you peaceful energies. If my throat is blocked, if I'm seeing this stressful situation, then I will not be able to talk good. I will not be nice with others. So these particular 7 years is very important for us to cleanse it, because your entire life goes on. So when you talk to a person, if you feel this person is not behaving properly, or he's very has got a lot of pain, so you need to check, you need to go back, how was the childhood, that childhood plays in that. So in corporate environment, you find some bosses are very rude, not linked to their professional behavior, but they carry a lot of pain. So when they'll have this family issues going on in their life. They carry that hate and pain in their life, and that needs to be healed, because that cannot be healed just by talking and saying. There's a process to it. So
G.
that we are going to learn now. So first thing first, to learn childhood healing, we are going to start with first year of your life, which is 25th January 1990 till 25th July 1990 till 25th July 1991.
जी
So it is 12 months. Now,
जी
today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, which is 16th August, 17th August, and 18th August, you are going to heal only 1 year, which
ओके
is 90 to 91. That means for next 7 years, how many days? How many days will take you?
21 days
21 days. Perfect. So every year needs to be healed for 3 days.
ओके
And when you start today, for next 21 days, by the end of 21 days, you will finish the 7th year.
सर
If you miss in between,
जी
again you need to restart from the first, because this cycle breaks. It will take you max, it will take you 15 minutes now to heal 1 year. So every day 15 minutes, 3 days finished off. Then from 19th, the second year starts. So how we need to start is this, the process is same. You need to first write down healing my childhood. From 25th July 1990 to 25th July 1991.
July 1991.
Very simple. Now we have announced it. You need to just the similar style of healing. Sit and with this hand open Reiki. You are opening it after saying that I am healing my childhood from X date to X date. Open Reiki Honsa Zeishune Seiki Chokure. Okay.
जी
Then healing July 1990 Seiki and Chokure.
हीलिंग जुलाई 1990 ओके तो इसमें
Symbol 2 and
सेकंड और
3.
थर्ड
Symbol 2 and 3. Then healing August 1990 Seiki Chokure.
ओके
Say the name of the month and year 2 and 3. You will reach July 1991. When you reach July 1991, after finishing, then close the Reiki. Say thank you Reiki for healing my childhood. Thank yourself also. Then close Reiki with symbol 1, 2 and 3.
1 2 3 ओके
Now here what happens is, it is by default, you may not be knowing what happened on July 25th, 1990 because you were an infant. You don't know what was the energy around, whether it was in hospital or at home, wherever the delivery happened, you are not aware. You are aware, but you don't know who all looked at you, what all
जी
happened. Because you as a soul entered the earth planet on 25th July 1990. You were there for 9 months in your mother's womb. That 9 months, you came as a soul in her womb in 9 months before, but all the organs developed, all the body parts developed. It took 9 months, and on particular day you started breathing in the atmosphere.
जी
The
जी
5 elements of your body started working
जी
when you've taken birth, because the air, breathing, everything started. That particular time you have entered with a karmic balance of your past life. If you believe in past life, if you don't believe also, you are born on that particular day in a family of XYZ parents. So when you are born, you are not aware what all people were thinking about you.
जी
Somebody might be jealous of your mother, or your mother might be expecting a girl child. Somebody was saying, we wanted a daughter, son has come. When a daughter is born, somebody will be saying, we wanted a son, daughter has come. So all those energies will be hitting your body.
जी
And when you grow up these 7 years, they say, children can see God, children can feel the God. What happens is, till the age of 4 or 5 years, children can actually feel the energies. If a child sees the person is very negative, the child starts crying. That is the reason child will not go to everybody.
जी
Child will smile, because and when you cross the 6 years, you get to know your name, you get to know your surname, you get to know about your parents. Your parents have got money. Parents have got no money also. Everything will come to know from age of
जी
6. So that is where, after 6, what happens, all the emotions, fear, anger, lust won't be there, because lust comes after when puberty. But fear, anger, jealousy, comparison, emotions, everything starts from age of 6, 5 or 6. Before that, you are not aware. You are not aware of the color, caste, race. You don't have ego. You will play with everybody. You will be happy because you don't know what is sadness. But from the age of 6, you will learn. You will learn about your brothers, sisters. Your parents will tell you, no, don't talk to this person, don't talk to that person, don't do this, don't do that. The uncle is not nice or the auntie is not nice. They start manipulating your mind. They will tell you, don't go to that room. There is a devil inside. When you are very young, you don't know what is devil. You don't have fear of darkness also. But when you grow, darkness is there. I shouldn't go. But there is nothing wrong. But no, these fears will develop in the body. Slowly, 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 all the chakras get blocked. The chakras were open when you born. You are a natural healer. When a child comes to you, you will feel good because the child is a natural healer. They are born with
जी
healing energies.
हम्म,
You will feel good. You will feel happy. That particular few moments, you will feel very happy. When you play with children, why? Because children are natural healers. They are born healers. Now, when you play with a pet, the pet doesn't know anything about life, ego, status. Pet is a natural healer. You're having a dog, cat, any pet, because it gives you natural energy. If a cat
जी
cat is sitting beside you, maximum energy enters your body. If the cat plays with you, if a
ओके
cat rubs her head or to his or her head to your legs, that means it is cleansing your body. It is connecting with you. They consider you as a family. They start rubbing your body. That means they're healing you.
ओके
But as human beings, post 6 years, all these conditions mind will come into you. There is that. So now when you're healing, when you're healing that particular, you're healing that particular part. So when you're healing the 7 years, what happens? Slowly, slowly, slowly. Now this 21 days, not that you have to finish in one time. You can repeat again.
जी
You can do multiple times healing of your for 1 to 7 years. When you finish this, take a break, do again. So what happens? Reason behind is somebody is orphan. Suppose somebody has he's orphan all his life, doesn't know what happened. So he'll be carrying a lot of pain of that particular childhood.
जी
I've seen a girl child being sexually abused at a very young age. So they carry pain.
जी
So when they heal, they release that. They know who has abused them, but they cannot say, and that will be stuck in their throat chakra. So when you're healing that particular, they know they'll release that person. They'll forgive. The healing happens. Somebody has gone through accident. Somebody has seen something very bad in the childhood. That will be released. So when you're healing that July 1990, after saying "say ki chukar," wait for a few seconds. When
ओके
you wait for a few seconds, you will not be able to see, imagine what happened, but you will feel certain emotions hitting your body. Those emotions are the energies of that particular day. So let it release. These emotions you may feel at the first year or you may feel at the third year, fourth, depending upon what happened at particular time.
ओके
Certain children were, when they were very young, they were abused a lot. The parents used to hit them, abuse them verbally, physically. That anger will be there. That will be released. So this helps. This 1 to 7 years will help. So when you're finishing this every year for 3 days, after 21 days, take a 2 day break and do it again. I would recommend do it 3 times.
ओके
21 days break, because that cleansing will happen. Then later on, what you can do is, if you feel certain aspect, which is the second part now, healing the past. Healing the past is nothing but any issue in your life which you feel was not good for you. It can be a relationship issue, it can be a professional issue, it can be a bad month. Sometimes, a couple of months will be bad for us.
जी
Under stress, depression, it can be financial, it can be relation, it can be it can be medical also. So you open Reiki in that again, you announce, suppose example, this is you feel, say 2019 February till June was not very good for me. I have gone through stress. So you open Reiki, he'll say that, open Reiki saying, I'm going to heal my time from 2019 February till 2019 June. Open Reiki, February month, say Kin Chokore. If you are involved with a particular person, say the name of the person. February month, I want to heal the issue what I had with XYZ person. Say the name of the person, say Ki Chokure. It can be if you had issue with a company, say healing my issue with the company. That particular time you had issue with the company, heal it. Or you had an accident, trauma is there, heal. Or somebody you know has passed away, has expired. It can be a friend, relative. You carry the pain, healing that particular moment of my life. It can then 1 month, open Reiki, say the month, say the person and close. Then close. When you are doing that, since you remember that particular moment and day, you can imagine because you are remember that. So you feel those, go back to that memories, enter that and feel those emotions. And mentally, if you have troubled somebody, ask for forgiveness. If somebody troubled you, forgive them. And while forgiving, say he will balance the negativity. Chokure will, after removing the negativity, Chokure will fill it with positivity and you close it. So that becomes your healing the past. The past, I told you, it can be any issue, any year. First thing you need to complete is your childhood healing, 1 to 7 years. That I'm telling you to do it for 3 times. Then later on, healing the past, which is any issue which has happened, which have gone through recent till the time you remember. Okay, because the trauma is what? Because the trauma is stuck, that's the reason you remember it. Go back to those issues and heal it. 1, 2, 3, take the month name, take the person's name, heal it. The third thing we were talking about gift Reiki, right? Write down gift Reiki. Now in self-healing, I told you do it for 3 hours or 4 hours. Gift Reiki you can send to anybody. Because the timing of gift Reiki is 10 minutes. Suppose you have a friend, no, you want to send him good wishes. So say, sending gift Reiki to Manoj. Now it's 8:30 p.m. now. Sending gift Reiki to Manoj from 8:30 p.m. till 8:40 p.m.
टाइम मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा.
Yes, you need to say time because you're fixing a time, right? Now you're saying 8:30 till 8:40, 10 minutes. So you open Reiki, okay? Now in this, you're not healing the chakras or body parts. It's just a gift Reiki. You're sending a gift. It's a good thought. You're sending a thought. In other healing, you're healing chakras or issues. Here, there is no issue here. You're sending a good thought, good wishes.
जी.
So maybe on somebody's birthday, you can send a Reiki to him on that day. So gift Reiki, you just imagine a person sitting in front of you. Imagine this person to be happy, smiling, in pink light, abundant. Send him good wishes. Send him, I wish you good luck, or I wish I'm sending you love and happiness. Put whatever you want to put. Sending you good thoughts, get well soon, sending you abundance. And this is very powerful. This is kind of a spell. In negativity, people will send a spell, something negative should happen. But here we are sending a good spell. Because you'll only send a gift Reiki when you like a person.
जी.
Or you want to send good wishes. So you send it, open Reiki, name of the person, whatever affirmation you want to put, sending positivity, sending good health, sending abundance, sending you good luck on your exams, good luck on your trip, on a business trip. Then close Reiki. Close Reiki again, symbol 1, 2, 3. Opening and closing Reiki, it is by default symbol 1, 2, and 3. Okay?
जी.
When a healing self, you're opening and closing Reiki, healing others, opening, closing Reiki, healing your office or a home at a distance, opening, closing Reiki, healing your childhood, opening, closing Reiki, healing the past issues, opening, closing Reiki. Okay?
Okay.
So today we have completed the childhood healing, healing the
Healing.
past, and gift healing.
प्रोटेक्शन शील्ड एक है.
Yeah, protection shield. Protection shield is nothing. Suppose you are traveling or you are sitting, you are sleeping in the night, and you feel in the night when I'm sleeping, I'm getting these negative dreams, or I'm getting some vibrations which are not good. Or suppose you're traveling, or you're riding, you're going to office. Protection Reiki for self and for others also you can do. You can do for your wife also. Okay. If your wife is traveling, you can shield her aura and her body with a healing of Reiki. So here you have to just announce now. For suppose if you're healing your protection for yourself in the night. If you're sleeping in the night, tomorrow is 17th August. So what you can do is you can say healing, protecting and shielding myself for 17th August from 1 a.m. till 5 a.m. Say this and open Reiki. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you know where you are sleeping. Okay. Imagine yourself covered in a white light, thick white light, like a white cloud. So when you're sleeping on a bed, you know you're sleeping. So you are covered yourself in a white light, white cloud. Okay. And say I'm covered in a white cloud. I'm covered in white light. Symbol 2 and 3. Seiki and Chokure. So you have covered yourself with a white light and symbol 2 and 3. Okay. Then next will be I have covered myself with a bubble shield. This is already mentioned here. Bubble shield symbol 2 and 3. Wait for some time. Let the energy flow from your palm. Now this bubble shield is a common protection shield used by most of the healers. Bubble shield is 8 feet by 8 feet diameter.
Okay.
It's a round ball. You covered yourself with a round bubble shield, which is 8 feet diameter in the length and 8 feet in the length and 8 feet in the width. So you're basically you are covered yourself through 8 feet diameter around and on top. So any negativity, any negative spells, or any wherever you're traveling, you're sitting in office when you're covered, anything which is going to enter will be stopped at the 8 feet distance only.
Okay.
So this shield is covering 8 feet distance, and you are in white light. So white light will not allow any dark energy to enter. If it enters, also the white light will remove it. Reason will remove it because you are putting a symbol inside. The Seiki will remove the negativity. It balances the energy. Chokure, what will happen? Chokure will actually seal it. So your Seiki is protecting you from negative thoughts, negative emotions, and Chokure is sealing it. So white light, then protection shield, then close Reiki. It will take you 5 minutes. So in the night, suppose you are going to somebody else's place, if you feel that home, you are going first time, you feel you should be protected, then you can do it now, right? Sitting now, you can do for multiple days. Like for next 5 days, whenever your time 5 days. Suppose if your wife is traveling somewhere, that particular time you do. Suppose if traveling in the morning, then do morning 7 till 11:30 a.m. Take a break because from 12 time changes. Again from 12:30 p.m. till 4:30 p.m. you do.
Okay.
So the entire day she's covered. So if she's traveling in a bus or a plane, she's protected from the negative vibrations. That's the way we protect. This is generally used people who are going through. They feel if they are getting affected through some black magic or any negative energies. So we use this shield for them. So, they are by after healing we protect, we seal it. So the healing happens and the person is protected. This is I think we have completed with the childhood healing. We have completed with the healing in the past. Then
Yes.
the gift
Yep.
Reiki and the protection shield.
Ji.
Now in the next class we will do the manifesting, which is your favorite.
Yes.
We will learn the manifesting, how to write the manifesting work for self and for others. Okay. Then we will learn the relationship Reiki also. The two things are left.